This is Jason Schwartzman.
Rushmore.
Welcome to
Rushmore.
Welcome to the Criterion Anderson Special Edition of the West Collection Special Edition of the
Rushmore.
10 films, 10 years into the voice movie Bottle Rocket, and The Life Aquatic with Steve Zissou, the Art Fox, the Grand
Bisexual
Hotel for Dogs, and which is the shortest title. Rushmore's only 3. This monumental box set has, by the way, the Wes Anderson monument, the Wes Anderson
Rushmore.
the Wes Anderson box, the Wes Anderson home, over 25 Wes Anderson commentary tracks, commentary interviews, documentaries, deleted scenes, auditions, like when I auditioned for Simon and got the part.
And the award for greatest performance of 2002 goes to
Jason Schwartzman. Home movies, commercials, storyboards, animation, stories,
55 burgers, 55 fries, 55 tacos, 55 pies.
and as they say, much more. All this presented in a handsome and durable Jason Schwartzman, which includes